Bluetooth on, sound check, and we are live. Hello, everyone. The world is panicking from oil shock. What is going on? XAUUSD. Hello. Welcome back. It's your boy again with this XAUUSD session. Hello. And what's going on? Hello and welcome. My name is Joe, and I've been in the investing world for 8 years. I know crypto before it was cool. I invested in Bitcoin and now gold with the CFD market, the leverage market. My goal is to help new investors and of course investors that are looking to make this a full-time job like I do become a reality. And let's go. And first thing off, we're going to analyze what's going on with the 1 hour chart. It is an obvious downtrend, and the sale volume is quite high today. Last time we saw this spike in sale volume, it was this. Okay. And we see exhaustion of the slow stock here. You probably don't see, but I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, so we see last time we see a big volume like this one. This one's kind of bigger. Something similar to this areas here. So there were sell-offs, and they're making higher lows, lower highs, and then they are actually stuck at the previous low in this area here. So very high chance of reversal. But in the end, we just have to stick with the plan that we're currently seeing, is that the trend's going down. And of course, for the newcomers, this is not a financial advice. Just be sure of that. It is just me live trading, and I'm seeing with real stats and the same strategy. I'm not afraid to show my stats, and you're welcome to have any questions. Just let me know. สวัสดีครับ พอดียังไลฟ์แบบเทรดไม่ได้เพราะว่าต้องไอ้นี่อยู่ ต้องใช้ไลฟ์ผ่านโทรศัพท์ไปก่อนนะครับถ้าเสร็จแล้วเดี๋ยวจะไลฟ์แบบเต็มที่เลยแต่ว่าพูดเป็นอังกฤษเป็นหลัก นะครับ welcome any Thai citizens สวัสดีครับ and also any internationals. I've actually been in New Zealand for about 8 years, so I'm more comfortable saying things in English actually. Getting my visibility going. So 15 minutes, there's a buy signal, a breakout, but doesn't have anything to support it, the break of structure. We don't really want to We don't really want to go against the trend here because it's obviously a downtrend. And the channel that I see are these areas here. So this area is a very good area of interest that might be a chance of a reversal sometime soon. It already is acting up. So a buy now, it's not advisable, sure, because it's a downtrend. You're going against the trend. And I would say an area of interest would be this area, number 1. This area, number 2. And this. It's probably like the final area. So most likely to enter the sale. 5 minutes. Short. This one's very nice short. It touches the... Maybe it's a little intimidating for you for this moment, but look, I'm just simply drawing area of interest, so it's all green. Can I make this a little bit more or less intimidating? Background. Oh. And the borderline, the opacity. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. It's good actually. I'm going to draw a new good area of interest. Good area of interest here too. But this one is a line in the sand. We're probably going to consolidate here for a few times before it goes even further down. Because what? The oil shock. I would say the oil shock is a big problem. Oil shock. Say it with me, guys. Oil shock. So what's going on with the news right now? You don't want to know because the oil shock is bad. Actually, you do want to know. you do want to know what's going on with this this shenanigans that the US trying to sell oil. They're essentially trying to sell oil. And the new headlines, see the new headlines. Mr. Khamenei was gravely wounded. He is mentally sharp and engaged according to 4 session. Waiting for prosthetic. Okay. So let's see the news. So I think so high-ranking officers in Iran was actually attacked. High-ranking officers in Iran actually attacked. And so that's not very good for Iran. That's not very good for the world because war is never good. But in the economy, this is where we are right now. Yeah, so with the tension that's going with Iran, the US is attacking Iran, right? So the world actually is not very pleased with the violation of humanity. That's a pretty grave accusation, actually. So the latest ones, ECB is ready to... What is this? ECB to raise interest rates. To raise rates in June, war-driven inflation and path beyond is unclear. Uh-oh, what's going on here? So the price starting to see a downtrend. This is quite biased actually. So 3 minutes. So I would say the volume is moving quite okay. It's performing a lower low. That's definitely bearish. Very bearish until something steps up. But I don't think it's anytime soon, to be honest. Not anytime soon. Why rates versus gold is a conflict. So the British. So another thing is that the European Central Bank is looking to raise interest, and that's bad for gold. Yeah. But JP Morgan's and other big institutions is saying gold is surpassing its previous all-time high even. But right now, let's see the news more. When we do not yet have a definite strategy at the moment. Divergence for many indicators. Oh. Don't worry guys, this is not too much because I'm not going to be using that too much. I'll only be using what's been keeping my discipline sharp, which is called the trend tunnel strategy, my personal favorite. Because I used to be the one that's, trade with emotions. I used to be the one that trades with, I think this will have, what will happen is this will have, what will happen is because of this, and then that, and then that. But the thing about this is that, let me ask you something. Wouldn't that be great if you sometimes just turn off your brain and see the area that you're looking to buy, and then there's a signal, there's an indication for an entry point, and then you just go for it, and most of the time it works. Yeah, I think that's why I love this so much, and keeping my discipline sharp. And the thing about trading is that you need to keep your discipline very sharp. Very, very true. Sharp discipline, very true discipline, meaning that you don't have emotions in play. But right now, it's very bearishness. Took over the lower low in the 5 minutes time frame. In the 3 minutes time frame, there's no reversal in sight. So the resistance, what used to be a support, is now became a resistance. This area here, I would change the color. That became a big resistance. This one's became a big resistance. I don't know what's going on here. I actually do what's going on here, and the downtrend is very much broken to further down. So it's going to keep on putting the bearish pressure here. And we're trying to make sense of it by looking at the news. But the news has been very positive lately. So the buying pressure is starting to drop. Yesterday was like around 66% in gold settlement data. And the gold ETF, what's going on with the gold ETF? It's on a decline. For sure, for sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. And the gold GLD, if you invest in GLD, it's negative 1.71 daily. So May doesn't look very good. 2025. Mostly, let's see what's the month of April is. Monthly report. So best months is probably July, no, Jan. But April, April sees a 2% increase. We have a few days. We might have a very likely chance of recovery very soon. But in the meantime, we don't know how deep is the floor is gonna go. Gonna keep going. And with what's going on, oh, reversal, any hope? To be honest, there is a hope, but personally, big institutions are eyeing. This is I heard it from a little cat down the street, meaning that I can't share the source with you. But let's see the big picture here. And this is my strategy. I'll show you my strategy later, which is here. This is a Fibonacci retracement, so the lowest point from the up point. I would say your best bet is to keep an eye on this area here, maybe a flash dip or something. The projection of it would probably be around May. Oh God, okay. That's actually in line with the new Federal Reserve person, Kevin Wash. His name is Kevin Wash. Yeah, I think what we're gonna see here is a continuation of a downward trend until this date, the 15th or something like that. Maybe it would drop even lower, like a panic selling, because the war can do anything about it. Okay, but in the long-term run, as any institution says, we are expecting a reversal, but I don't know when, because I expected a reversal. This was a reversal that I expected, but then it just drops. It just drops really hard. And then yeah, but this area is a very good area of interest to see where we can go next. But in the meantime, let's look at the smaller picture. Let's look at the smaller picture for the five minutes. Yeah, to be honest, maybe next week. But right now, you just have to follow the trend. Oh, what's this? And also, let's recap with my awesome strategy. Doesn't matter what trading setup you're using. I call this an apex strategy. Okay, guys, what is this strategy? Come look with me. This strategy is pretty much risking only 1% of your trade, okay, each time you trade. So let's say I have $10,000. I only risk $100. And the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2, meaning that if I put in $100, I'll get $200 in return. Even with a low win rate like this, $200 times 4 is $800. That's when I win. But when I lose, $100 6 times is still equals to $600. Okay. And yeah, in the end, you will still become $200 profitable in the end. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And looks like we're gonna see a short-term support around this area. A lot of price action yesterday in the New York session. The New York session volume is off the charts. If you're looking for a reversal, wait for New York. That's very high volume here. So they're rushing to sell. Here's rushing to buy. I'll sell as well, but eventually the price just keeps going up. Right now we're still riding the way down. One area of interest is here. A very previous low of the lows. Very high resistance. As you can see, there's a lot of cluster. There's a lot of cluster around this area. All right. And a lot of cluster around this area, meaning that we may see a reversal around here. If it breaks through, then to be honest, we're gonna see each other again in the 500 level here. Hope that helps. Hope that my question helps. Oh, on the 4 hours time frame, reversion happened. Oh, okay. This is actually looking quite okay. Last time, okay. Look at the purple line in the slow stoic. This one actually quite a good accuracy of when the market will most likely to recover. So we're waiting for this as a sign of recovering. So this is a slow stoic indicator. You can find in TradingView for free. But meantime, I'm going to use the gold swing strategy, and I'm going to use the trend tunnel strategy to go along with it. Big short. big short. There's no buy yet. Lots of longs. But at this moment, the market is sideways. So we can expect to see like this, or maybe this. But right now, yeah. Let me know in the comments what's your strategy. But at this moment right here, we missed the window here, which is a very nice window with the first change of character. This short here is very good too. It's not clean. A reversion can happen. So if we were to use the trend tunnel strategy, this is a double confirmation, super confirm. We're gonna do 1,000 to 2,000. That was a big win for us. If we ever did go in. Has to be very precise. Oh man. Has to be extremely precise. We were to go in here. 2 minutes time frame. One minute time frame. We don't see anything here. The first choke. It's very nice. The first choke is very nice actually. Right now the price seems to be recovering. We could have entered here, but we missed it. We missed it an hour ago. And the price, we're probably using the trend tunnel strategy. Oh, okay. Almost 2,000 points. Definitely going to keep going down. So an area of interest of mine, the previous big cluster of buy. I will look this area. And also this area too. And also this area too. And looks like a reversion to the downside is almost upon us, as you can see here. Waiting for a signal round here. Waiting for a signal round is nice. Waiting for a signal round here is also nice. Clear downtrend. But if it's uptrend, with the signal around here is not ideal. Waiting for a signal around here is actually quite nice, but we wouldn't have made it. It was only 1,000 points. Only 1,000 points is okay. Yeah, if you have any more questions, please let me know. Welcome. Hello for the newcomers. My name is Joe. I've been investing for 8 years. And I know crypto before. It was cool. And today I'm in the gold market as well as crypto. Okay. I'm not active trading on crypto, but I'm active trading on gold. And my strategy is simple. I use smart money concept, meaning that I only follow the trend. And once the trend reverses, then I follow them too. And I'll look for entry points that's the most suitable for my advantage. So I don't think for myself, I use the system that I see. So take that emotion out. And of course, know how to use gold swing strategy and trend tunnel as well. As well as, let me show you my true strategy. This is my true strategy for the newcomers. Welcome. And this is my apex strategy, just like the channel. You like the channel? It's apex strategy. My name is actually my full name is Warapat Sopa. So like it's my last name, Sopa Apex. And I really like the apex strategy because only risk 1% of your capital per trade, meaning that if I have $10,000, I will only risk $100. Okay, I'll only risk $100, and then the risk to reward ratio is 1 to 2, risking only $100, and then you will expect to gain a return of $200. But if you lose only 100, even with as low win rate as 40%. So you win 4 times, you lose 6 times. You would still become profitable if you follow the system, and that's a hard part. Sometimes the market is not always black and white. Sometimes it's gray. Sometimes you can prevent yourself from getting a lot of profit. Sometimes you do preventing yourself to going to quite a bit of loss. But right now, let's be brutally honest. I'm a very bullish guy on gold. Okay. And I don't see gold rising anytime soon. To be honest. Why do I say that? Because the conflict's going on. The US is winning in terms of the oil price. And they do. I hope you guys know the petrodollar. And the news right now, it's the US is going at it. The US is going at it. Yeah. And let's see the news more. And the entry point. Entry point. Just I'm gonna previously look at the 3 minutes time frame. 2 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame. There's a short going on. Very nice. Very nice area here. If it breaks, we might go in. If it doesn't, then let's see. Let's see if it does or not. Hello and welcome from TikTok. My name is Joe. I'm just trying to get live trading on TikTok, but TikTok's being very unhelpful. So I have to do it through my phone. So just wait until I can live it through my channel. So waiting for an area around here would be very nice. I can extend it. I can extend this area to near the tunnel. Why? Because once it's on a path to a short recovery here, we can also enter another stage of short position, I believe. If it is a reversal, then it's fine. We just have to adjust our strategy accordingly. Okay. It shoots up in the big area of support. It's trying to defend this area. Buyers are looking to buy. Let's see the volume previously. So this is from the London session to the New York session. Yeah, I mean the volatility in this area and this period of time is very, very high. So it's very good to keep your discipline. And personally, the way I do have discipline is to have use the gold swing strategy and also the trend tunnel strategy. Why it helped me a lot because it helped me determine the trend. And also I don't have to draw the graphs every single time I want to use it. But it is very, very good to do. So as you can see here, if we entered here, we would have been instantly stop loss. And the recovery here is very, very nice indeed. Around this area, if we see a double confirmation or anything, it's a very nice area to enter. Okay, very nice area to enter. We're waiting for an entry point. I would want to say this is not a signal, but it is a guidance. Okay, it's a guidance thing that you require to understand the concept of smart money concept. Warms my heart a bit to see a recovery. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Getting $100. Very nice, but I haven't given you any guidance yet, but yeah. I'll be back. Also, this guy just gained $100. Well done on him. I'm back. You guys miss me? Very nice recovery. It warms my heart to see this. The trend is starting to choose. Change of character. 5 minutes time frame, it's still. This is a very, very. That's a double confirm. How do we combat that? Oh man. You have to be extremely precise. It's trying to reclaim the $700, $4,700, but I think it's a slow bleed to the downside. That's a big God candle, but it's slowly coming down. Let's see the dashboard on the XAUC. The net buyers are significantly lower. 5% to be exact. Long change. So the floor, yeah, I think the next floor is 4,500 because the calls and the puts are very, very high. The puts are very, very high in this one. Gold swing strategy. Let's see the 2 minute time frame. That's a short signal. I think we should definitely go in this one, right? Now we're waiting for double confirmation too. So 3 minutes is no signal yet. 5 minutes, not yet. 2 minutes. Signal's here. I really want to jump in. So the 2000, I would have to say my point has to be. Oh, but the short is this candle here. It's not this candle. But it was just a bullish reversal. No, I'm just sitting this one out. Very nice, very nice. Hello? Hello, hello. Welcome. My name is Joe, and I've been investing for 8 years, and I'm here to make the trading lives of you a little bit that much better, you know? It's a bullish reversal. It doesn't look like just like climbing, climbing, climbing. Slow stoic is good. This one's good. Just waiting for a double confirmation, like these ones. These ones are very nice. I think a buy signal will come in very soon. Looking, waiting. Oh, double confirmation is coming. Looks like we can enter here. Looks like we can enter here. Double confirmation here. And it's very nice going. I'm gonna have to end this live here. Thank you very much. Off the TikTok, but YouTube here, I'm still on. After the double confirmation is confirmed, you can see. Let's see. Do we front run this? I think we can. Exhaustion has happened. 5 minutes time frame. A reversion can happen, but a continuation of a bearishness also can happen. 3 minutes is nice. 3 minutes is giving a lot of good signals. Oh, okay. So looks like this area here is going to keep continuing the bullish continuation for a little bit. So the key is to wait. Dead. Key is to wait. I would say wait. The signal is almost nice. It's almost nice. But this was a reversion that's troubling. Two-minute time frame, nothing yet. 1 minute time frame looks like reversion is at the tunnel here, which is not very nice. Double confirmation wouldn't go so far. Short, cluster. Looking okay. Entering sideways. Perhaps a bullishness is come to pay attention here. looking, waiting like a tiger in the fight, looking to decimate the opponent. If you guys watching, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to me if you like these kind of contents. And keep on going with the breaking news. What's going on with the breaking news? Okay. Looks like 5 minutes time frame. 3 minutes signal is very attractive right now. Gonna wait for near the tunnel. Gonna have to wait for the near the tunnel, guys. Cannot enter prematurely. If it goes down now, that's not my system. My system is that gonna have to be very clear. Sell entry checklist first. Signal near tunnel. I don't front run. Oh yeah, 5 minutes. See, it touches around this area reversion, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit longer for another short. But this morning was very, very nice. Signal near tunnel, meaning that this, as you can see, okay, my strategy is that the signal is near the tunnel, right? And the second one is that big candle confirmation. Okay. Actually. Bigger time frame. That's the first one. The second one, signal near tunnel. That's right. And the third one, double confirmation. So there's a trend following. It's very risky because we are at the middle of the tunnel here after reversion. So we have to wait. I can't tell you anymore. We have to wait. We have to wait, guys. That's the fact. Just looking. Yeah, Miss Philip. Where's Philip? Really miss him. Welcome me, welcome me, welcome. We might actually miss opportunity here, but it's fine. We gonna play it safe. This was in the middle of tunnel. Our strategy is to do a 1,000 to 2,000, something like this. It didn't meet, and then comes back. This became a mini resistance, and the short's happening. A big signal like this can be beneficial in the long run, that it gravitates towards downside. But right now, I'm willing to go for these areas here for a lower risk. Have to be very precise. Oh, just a second, guys. Hey, good thing we didn't go in here. Like I said, even though there's a double confirmation, here is a very high risk because it's in the 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, 2 minutes time frame here. It's in the middle of the tunnel, dude. So we dodged a bullet there. Keep it to our system. It could be something around like this. If we lose this trade, then the next trade. We should go near this tunnel here. So at this stage is here, okay? So let's see sell. Let's see some sells. Turn off the trend tunnel strategy, waiting for this area here for a sell signal. Then it's probably best to go in. Or a reversal of buys. A reversal of buys, huh? I don't know. A reversal of buys can temper my decision making. Welcome. My name is Joe and I'm here to live trade and help as many people as possible in the trading journey. And for the newcomers, this is what we're going for, the entry checklist. So look at the bigger time frame, it's obviously down. The signal near the tunnel. So this is not near the tunnel yet. Oh, okay. The price action just broke out. Probably around this area. This area just broke out. We just have to move the area now around this area here. See if there are any signals left to go. I was once a trader that have no system. I was once a gambler. I was once trade with what I think is best, which is in trading world you don't think for yourselves. You think for the market and how you win the market, right? That's why you need to have a iron discipline. And yeah, I believe with the right system and with the right setup, I believe anyone can survive the market and become profitable in the market in the long run. Okay, so this is my motto right here. So to protect your capital, protect your profit, protect your discipline, and protect your soul. What by this is that your system has to protect your capital. You can't keep trading and then keep losing all your money. And then once you get your profit, you protect your profit. And then once you lose discipline, you need to gain it back. See why you lost your discipline. Usually because of emotions and then selective thinking or a biased thinking. So you need to stop that and then protect your soul. Trading is going to make you money, but you have to protect your soul too. You don't just go around and think about trading all the time, look at your phone all the time. If you do that, then something's wrong. The system is broken. You need to have a good system, okay? And that's it. And also for those who wants to know my Apex strategy, my Apex strategy is somewhere around here. There it is. This is the man of the hour Apex strategy. What do I mean by that? It's Apex strategy, guys. This is strategy that I always tell people. If you follow this from my academy that helps me a lot with trading. So basically what it is that you risk only 1% of your capital per trade. You're welcome to screenshot this and you can use it for any other setups. Okay? And if you use 1% of your trade per trade, 1% of your capital per trade, you risk only 1 to 2 reward, not only a whopping risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, meaning you put in $100, you expect $200 in return. And then 60% win rate, meaning that if you win 6 times out of 10 is very good. But even though with this strategy, if you win 4 times out of 6, you'll still come out on top with the $200 profit. See what I mean? Gonna have to stick with the system. And yeah, and then it keeps going. And our time of live is almost up. Almost up indeed. Almost up. And let's look at the smaller time frame. 3 minutes. Okay. Price climbs. There's a hope yet to reach a 700. But right now, no. I don't see a recovery anytime soon. In the 1 hour time frame, possible. There's a buy signal here in the 1 hour time frame. But usually when the buy signal comes in near the tunnel, this usually marks a recovery. Oh, and there's a exhaustion, downtrend exhaustion as well. But let's look at the news, shall we? What do we have in the news? Because we don't only trade with our technicals, we also look at the news and see where the world's heading us. So SPDR gold, it's falling down. 1 year. It's 14 days. It's going back down. Negative 1.71. March kicked our asses. April, May. I don't know about May. What happened in May in 2020? Okay. So +3 usually comes down with 2025. Because the SPDR here is showing that the gold is 2025 April. Oh, it jumps down like this, and that's about how many percent? I don't know. That's about 10% drop from a double top formation. But right now we don't have a double top anymore. We already did have a double top here. That's a double top. And a reversion can happen, a reversal. I keep saying reversion, but this should be reversal, okay? I don't know why I'm whispering. Look, long-legged candles 3 times. There are buyers waiting, but they're losing strength. So I've actually backtested. What kind of similar situation are we in? Probably around here, but not as probably around here. Three-legged. That means a lot of support for sure. No doubt about that. A lot of support for sure. Let's see the smaller time frame. If there is a sell signal yet, here, big resistance. But here, there's no sell signals yet, even though the trend tunnel may be a flash of this. Alrighty. See this area here? Three minutes. There's still no sale. So usually when sales out of the tunnel here is very nice. But right now, we are sitting down. No weight of area here. So as you can see, that 80% of trading is waiting, for sure. 80% of trading is waiting. Oh, okay. Bearish confirmation. No sales. No sales. This is a sell signal. Oh. Big candle confirmation. Can we go in? Short. 5 minutes. Just a little bit for the 5 minutes, okay? Just a little bit longer. We're waiting for somewhere around here. Waiting for a sale signal, like this. Like this, okay? Very, very attractive. You can miss this trade, it's fine. If you were to enter here, be juicy. Be juicy, boys. Be juicy. But hey, life's. 5 minute time frame. This one's very nice signal. We got in, we get out. This one is short too. It's been a long time. Continuation to the upside is quite possible. We don't get in. We don't get in just yet. Can be a continuation of bullish, but there's no bullish signal yet. For the 1 minute time frame, it's up. It is out the tunnel. And there's a sale signal. Five minutes, 3 minutes. It's very beautiful signal actually. Still bullish. Very nice recovery. There's no sale signal outside the tunnel yet of 5-2. So yeah, don't be afraid if we don't enter a trade, guys. It's okay. It's okay if you don't enter a trade. Just say to yourself that, just say hi to me. Say hi to me with you. Yeah, let's see the stats at the end of the week. But right now, not yet. So Friday. This is Friday. This is the end of the week. I'm not gonna be afraid to show you my stats for sure. And yeah, I mean, sticking to the system. We had a lot of big wins in the first week, and then we got our asses kicked in the second week. And yeah, we are down $700, negative 3.5%. But anyway, still sticking to our system. Because as you can see, the winning weeks are going to blow us out of the water. For sure. look at this. Continuation of the bullishness is possible because it touched this area already. At least it's going to try to attempt to touch this area. And there's no sell signal yet. And 15 minutes, bigger time frame, it's still sliding way up. Even though like you probably in the 15 minutes time frame, you will need to look at the strong areas, like such as this, such as this. And yeah, if you guys are new trading and if you don't know what's to expect, leave the comment or direct message me. I can help you set a few things up. The demo, of course, I will not be asking for any money. Just want to help you guys do a demo trading. I suggest that for the viewers right now, I would suggest that you open a demo account on MT5. The application should look something along the line of this. Something along the line of let me see. It's MT5, as you can see. Can you guys see it? MT5, and then when you trade, it looks something like this. This is a demo account. So I can just go ham, right? Just checking. Yeah, demo account. I can just go ham at it. Just go buy. Sell, euro. And then for gold, I think it would be nice to buy. So I go buy. This is demo account. You can follow my strategy using your demo account. And the link to MT5 is Google. You can just Google it, MT5 it, and then see where it takes you. And the 15 minutes is already touched the bottom, so very hard to say. Very hard to say. These two areas are very good area of interest, but right now we do not know. We do not know yet. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want me to read the news out for you, I can do too. The news out. The news. So today, for the past 7 days, it's dropped. I think it's going to continue to drop. For the 1 month, it's average for 1 month. The gold price is falling down 1.2%. And let's say the breaking news. What's the Goldman Sachs saying? Let's see what's the Goldman Sachs saying. Goldman Sachs said Gulf oil output likely to rebound within months after Hormuz. And Goldman Sachs says. So, Iran closure. Oil spots scramble 4 routes beyond Hamas. That is no easy option. Middle East oil and gas producers are still gambling to find and expand alternative routes for their export almost 2 months after the critical Hormuz has been effectively shut to commercial traffic. There's still a little clarity on when or how the US-Iran conflict can be brought to an end. It's gonna drag on for quite a while. And Donald Trump is saying, what is he saying? An internal Pentagon email outlines options for the United States to punish NATO allies it believes failed to support US operations in the war with Iran. Spain, and US official keep making lower lows. And in 1 hour time frame, it keeps making lower lows. Doesn't look very bullish, if you ask me. Need to find some sort of consolidation, including suspending Spain from alliance. So this sounds like, oh, this sounds like a, sounds like we could potentially have a world war. I'm not kidding, guys. I'm no way kidding. Okay, so 20-year Japanese government bond yields climbs 3.3% up to 3 basis points. And this is looking bullish for the recovery of gold, but not that much. And it's almost time to part ways, guys. Do not cry, I'll be back. Do not cry, I'll be back. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to my channel for a brutally honest, systematic thing that we are striving for right now. And doesn't matter if we didn't enter a trade today. Okay, we didn't enter a trade today because we are waiting for a signal, waiting for a signal around our area. And since the 15 minutes time frame is coming out, so a recovery chance is quite possible. When it touches here, it can go down or it can go up, but here's have a more likely chance of it just keep going to bounce and go down. That's my take. Let me know what your takes in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. And of course, happy trading, and don't forget my strategy before I leave you. A very good strategy that I always tell people. This is a strategy, guys. This 80% of trading is waiting, like we did. Actually 100% of this live session is waiting. We didn't get in a position yet. Protect your capital. Of course, you have something that's precious to you. You have to protect that, so it's your capital. And protect your profit. Once you gain profit, you have to protect it. Protect your discipline. Once you have discipline, then you're gonna have to constantly check if your emotion is getting in the way or not, and then protect your soul, meaning that trading is nice, it's gonna give you money, but trading is not everything. Don't forget to strive for your goals, your family, your friends. And with that, I leave you to have a very wonderful day, and see you again soon. Bye bye.